Okay, so what I'm going to be showing you how to do today is how to delete and restore lessons in the Genesis Lesson Planner. So you'll notice I'm in here in my lesson planner and I have a fake lesson that's right here. If I wanted to delete this lesson, remove it from my lesson book and put it into the trash can, I hit delete. And I'll say, are you sure you want to do this? You hit OK. And that lesson is deleted from this book and is put in the trash can. Now, say you accidentally hit the delete button and you end up hitting OK, and you want to get that lesson back. You want to restore that lesson. You can come to the Lesson Books tab, click on Trash Can, and then there's a drop-down menu right here for Lesson Books. We want to change it to Lesson Plans. And then it's set to all books if I knew it was a part of my Algebra 2 class, right? And I see fake lesson is right here. I could follow it across. I could check it off and it will highlight in green. And then hit restore checked lesson plans. What this will do is it'll bring back my lesson plan from the trash can. So if I came back from my calendar, you'll notice that it's restored to the 8th. So that's how you delete and restore lesson plans from the Genesis Lesson Planner.